Functional genomics. Functional genomics is the subdiscipline of genomics in which we study function of genes, their regulation, and about the end products of the genes. So based on the information about the functional genomics, we study the function of different genes of that particular genome, about the regulation, how genes are regulated in that particular individual, as well as what are the end products of specific genes or the entire genome. This kind of study is called as functional genomics, which is the one of the subdiscipline of the genomics. So functional genomics actually analyzes all the genes which are present in genome to determine their function, to determine their gene control, as well as to determine the expression of the genes of that genome. Classically, in case of genetics, which analyzes and moves from phenotype for the identification of the genes. So this was the classical pattern in case of genetics. When we study the genetics, we move from phenotype ultimately for the identification of the genes. While in case of genomics, that is the new approaches how to study the DNA and how to study the genomes. This is actually opposite direction in which we start from the genes, we start from the genomes, and ultimately we try to identify the phenotypes. So this is the difference between genetics and genomics. In case of genetics, we move from phenotype and we try to identify the genes, while in case of genomics, we start with genomes or with genes and we try to identify the phenotype. Functional genomics is a new area that relies on the techniques of molecular biology, techniques of biochemistry, genetics, and bioinformatics tools. So we can say that for studying the functional genomics, that is a merger of different subdisciplines of life sciences. Those subdisciplines, they are the techniques of molecular biology, biochemistry, as well as genetics, and there is a need of computer softwares. So we can say that functional genomics is the fusion of biology with mathematics as well as with the tools of computer. If we take the examples that how functional genomics work, functional genomics is actually for identifying the gene within a genomic sequence. As well as with the help of functional genomics, we can align the sequence of the DNA as well as the sequence of the proteins. So functional genomics helps us for the identification of the genes and their functions, as well as for the alignment of the DNA sequences and for the alignment of the protein sequences. If we conclude that what is included in case of functional genomics, we can say that subtracted cDNA libraries comes under the study of functional genomics, then differential display, then representational difference analysis, then suppression subtractive hybridization. These are all the techniques which are used in functional genomics. In addition to above-mentioned techniques, cDNA microarray is also a sub-technique of functional genomics, serial analysis of gene expressions, as well as if we perform 2D gel electrophoresis, it means we are studying the functional genomics or we are performing the functional genomics. As an example, this is yeast genome with experimentally characterized functions. Here we can see that this is the part of all those genes that have been experimentally characterized. So this is the pie chart for those genes which are homologs to experimentally characterized functions. This is in green color recognizable motifs or weak homologies, and genes with homolog of unknown functions. So there are large list of the genes that have been experimentally characterized, means their functions have been identified. So this kind of the study in which the genes and their functions have been characterized is called as functional genomics. This is another example of the functional genomics. Here we can see that the transcription or the transcriptome, proteome, and metabolome are the examples of functional genomics. If we are performing transcriptome, mean DNA array and chips, which is usually performed with the help of qRT-PCR, northern blot, hybridization, this is the example of functional genomics. In addition to this, if we perform 2D electrophoresis, mass spectrometry, protein sequencing, translational fusional, these are the enzyme activities. This is also the example of functional genomics. Chromatography, mass spectrometry, as well as NMR, which are used to study the metabolites. So these are the techniques: chromatography, mass spectrometry, NMR are used to study the metabolites. 2D electrophoresis are used to study the proteome, and DNA array and chips are used to study the transcription or the transcriptome. So these are all functional genomics. So if we conclude that what is functional genomics? Functional genomics is the subdiscipline of the genomics in which we study the function of the genes, as well as we study how to describe the gene interaction between the genes, the interaction between the cells of an individual, and the interaction between the organisms. So all these type of the studies in which we study genes and their functions either at a DNA level or at a cell level, and the interaction between the cells of an organism is the example of the functional genomics. Functional genomics also helps us to study the phylogenetic relationship between the species.